I'm going to be investing 100 grand in a company called gravystack.com. It's an app that is a bank for kids, and it is, do you know who CocoMelon is?
Yes,
It's 20% owned by CocoMelon, and it hasn't even launched yet. I'm going to move $45,000 out of Coinbase and buy NFTs from Ryan Pineda. It's basically a mastermind of very high-level influencers. That expense is actually a mastermind education expense, so it's actually a write-off. Telling Tony Counts that I need her to wire money for me.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
What'd you have for lunch?
I didn't eat anything. Oh my God. I've been so busy. I did not eat anything. I had a matcha tea latte earlier.
Ooh, was it soy or what was it?
It was coconut milk with stevia.
Oh, damn, that sounds so good, dude.
So good. It is. You should try it with coconut milk.
I was gonna tell you another secret about coconuts, but that's not,
Okay.
it's not suitable for work. I'm calling you because I need to buy a couple of things, and I need you to be aware of them. They're bigger purchases. I'm going to be investing 100 grand in a company called gravystack.com. It's an app that is a bank for kids, and it is, do you know who CocoMelon is?
Yes,
It's 20% owned by CocoMelon, and it hasn't even launched yet. It's an app that teaches kids through games how to earn money in the real world, and the app itself is a federally insured bank. So kids from like 5 to 18 can get a bank without having their parents involved and all that kind of stuff. And they can like manage their own money. They're taught how to check, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to invest 100 grand in that. So I'm going to set up a wire for that tomorrow. I just want you to be aware of it. And then Ryan Pineda has a thing called the Tykes NFT project. It's TYKES. So I think I have like $45,000 in like my Coinbase account. I'm going to move $45,000 out of Coinbase and buy NFTs from Ryan Pineda. It's basically a mastermind of very high-level influencers. That expense is actually a mastermind education expense. So it's actually a write-off.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Gravy Stack investment is 100 grand. That's definitely not a write-off. We're using the app for Asher's YouTube channel. So I wonder if we can classify it as advertising expense. I don't know, but maybe we ask the CPA and see.
Yeah, because that's a large advertising expense.
Let's just find out next time on the next call.
Yep, and we're going to get one scheduled for next week too. So.
Okay. Amazing. So I just wanted to show you guys how sometimes these phone calls go. I'm investing in Ryan Pineda's Tykes project. What's cool about what I'm doing is I'm investing, I think, about $50,000 into the Tykes project that will allow me access to his boardroom, which is full of a lot of other YouTube influencers. Now we've hit 105,000. We're like 105 to 110,000 on the YouTube channel. We really want to double down and get around other influencers and start collaborating on other larger channels. I kind of felt like I didn't deserve to collaborate. This is a stupid thought, but I felt like I didn't deserve to collaborate on other people's channels until I hit 100,000. I should never have thought that way, because the biggest growth that I've had on our YouTube channel was when we collaborated with other channels. So shout out to Ryan Pineda. We're going to be investing in the Tykes project. I look forward to speaking at your event in January as well, the Tykes seminar. Hold on, here, come over and take a look at this. So right here, you've got Ryan Pineda, Cody Sanchez, I'm a big fan of hers, me, David Meltzer, Bridger Pennington, Peter. All of these guys are amazing. Look, Jamil's here. We're going to be speaking at the Tykes Summit 2023 coming up in about 2 months. So the reason I wanted to invest is because Ryan's a good friend of mine. Everything that Ryan touches turns to gold. The guy is amazing, incredibly intelligent. And so we're going to drop 50 grand to be closer to him and be closer to the boardroom that he's assembling around his Tykes project. So really look forward to it.